today is how to carry only one bag. In this case, it's bananas. If you do have two bags, you can put one in one handlebar and the other in the other handlebar. But if you have only one, you're gonna keep having a lot of weight towards to one side. Nice way to carry one bag and not putting yourself in danger is put it back here, one here and one here, and voila, easy. So it's no problem, it doesn't bother you to pedal. So this is a very quick tip, probably 100 ways to carry your little bag in your Brompton. That's one of them. Hope you enjoy it, a very quick one. Bye bye.